Hello students, this is the ninth class statistics. Now first we are going to know what is statistics. Chapter means statistics deals with collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of data. Here we have four words: collection, organization, analysis, interpretation of data. This is the fifth word. First of all, I want to tell you what is called the data. Data is a simple numerical value. Characteristics, data or characteristics or information, usually numerical, that are collected through observation. So, first I will like to give you some example. Here, consider the marks obtained by 10 students in maths. Some exam was conducted and 10 students got these values out of 100. One student got 55 marks, other student got 36 marks, other student got 95 marks, other student got 73, 60, 42. Like that, we have 10 different marks, that means belongs to 10 students. So this all the 10 marks called data. Data is a plural word, it's not a singular word. So all the 10 marks are called data. Now if we have that data, that is a numerical value, usually numerical. So numerical value mean number, how many marks a particular person got. Like that we can have that values. Now these are data or characteristics or information. This is an information. Information mean how many marks you got, how many marks I got. So this is an information, but that information usually given in numerical values. So this the data mean the marks collection is called data. 55 is a mark in mathematics in an examination. 36 is a mark in mathematics in an examination. 95 is a mark in mathematics in an examination. So this is a number actually, and it is a mark in examination. 36 is a number, but it is a mark in examination. But all these 10 numbers called data. So I hope that you understood what is called data. That is just, it is a collection. Data is a collection. Just we gathered all the 10 numbers. Now this is called data. Next, just we go above. Now what the statistics do? Statistics deals with collection. We collect, we organize. Organize mean we can convert into ascending order or descending order, and we analyze who got highest mark. What is the highest mark? 95. What is the least mark? 25. So that is called analysis. So we can say what is the middle mark, how many students pass, how many students could not pass. So this is called analysis. And interpretation. Interpretation means we are going to give a conclusion. So this examination, 90 percentage of the students got some good marks, or 10% need some recovery, or they need some help, they have to improve. Likewise we have interpretation of data. So I hope that what is called mark, what is called numerical mark, and what is called data, and what the statistics do. Statistics do now in statistics we organize, analyze and interpretation of data. So this is the way we collect, we organize, and we can interpret the data. That's all. Now what is called the primary data? Here the third word, The first word is statistics, you know it. What is second word? The data. The third word or the key point, the concept is primary data. Primary data mean the information was collected by investigator. Information was collected by investigator mean if you want to get some information for now, as we are in lockdown situation, now you can gather some information regarding covid-19. So what is the date, how many people got positive on the date 10th April and 11th April and 12th April. Like that you can have a real life situation like that. If you collect really, then the data which is in your hand is called the primary data. Now secondary data mean somebody collected, someone collected, and they stored in somewhere, they stored as information. If you want to know, you can find out from the web or internet. So what is the situation from the beginning? So they will give you the lot of information which was stored already and which was collected already. So secondary data mean the data which was collected by someone. Already it was collected and it was kept stored. That means it is in another form, like they kept their return, they have stored as a file, like that, as a project they have kept. The information was gathered from a source like newspaper or internet which already had the information stored. So if you collected from those newspapers, if you collect from the internet, if you collect from, because all the newspapers, internet, they already collected from the different places. So likewise we have primary data. If you collect by yourself, that means the data is called the primary data. The secondary data mean the data which was collected by someone already. Let us see what is called the raw data. Consider the marks obtained by 10 students in maths examination. In an examination, students in mathematics, 10 students got these marks. So this is called raw data, just collected. There is no alteration, there is no arrangement, there is no change in the order, nothing happened, as it is called the raw data. Next point, if you are arranging the data in ascending order or descending order, now this is called arranged data. Now ascending order: 25, 36, 42, 55, 60, 62, 73, 75, 78, 95. Now just we arranged in an order. The highest value is 95, the lowest value is 25. Now I want to tell you one word, one another concept, that is called range. The range is highest value minus the least value. What is the highest value? 95. Is really 95 values are there? If it is 95, actually the data has to start with 0, because all the numbers will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on 95. But this data did not start at 0. The data start at 25. So the starting number is 25. Therefore, we are going to take a range highest value minus lowest value, that is 95 minus 25, that is called 7070. Here, if you take really numbers, 95 mean 95 steps after 0. That's what we call it as 95. In middle, if you have 32, that means 32 steps after 0. But here 95 is not really 95 points, 95 steps after 0, but here the first point started at 25. Therefore, this is called range. Range is highest value minus least value, that is 70. The range is 70. Here from 25 to 95, they are the 70 steps are there. So this is called range. Now let me conclude. We know what is called as statistics, that is the status of the or the situation of the information or the data. Now what is called the data? Data is a numerical value of an observation, and primary data, if you collect by yourself, then it is called primary data. Secondary data, if you collect from other source, then it is called secondary data. Raw data, data as it is called raw data. And the range, highest value minus least value, is called range. Thank you.